So you're diving into the world of roofing marketing, huh? It's an evolving field with exciting trends that are shaping its future. From going green to embracing tech, there's a lot happening. We are bighomeprojects.com, and we help connect homeowners with trusted contractors and help provide work opportunities for contractors. Let's break it down into bite-sized pieces and see how you can stay ahead of the game. Number 1. Sustainable practices are where it's at. Green roofs and solar panels aren't just trendy, they're smart choices that cut energy bills and appeal to eco-conscious folks. Sharing how these options work and save money can set you apart as an expert. Number 2. Advanced technologies like drones and smart roofing are game changers. Drones make inspections a breeze, while smart roofs offer real-time monitoring. Knowing these tools inside out can enhance your offerings and attract clients. Number 3. Focus on customer-centric marketing. Tailor your campaigns using data analytics to meet individual needs. Engaging on social media and responding quickly builds strong relationships and enhances your brand. Number 4. Reputation management is crucial. Online reviews can make or break you. Encourage happy clients to leave feedback and respond to all reviews to show you care about improvement. Number 5. Digital marketing strategies should be your go-to. Hyperlocal SEO helps attract nearby customers, while video storytelling creates personal connections and showcases your reliability. Number 6. Video content is king. Whether it's tutorials or client testimonials, videos grab attention. Consider live Q&A sessions to address common concerns and build community around your brand. Number 7. AI is revolutionizing personalization. Use it to analyze customer data and tailor communications. Chatbots can handle inquiries instantly, freeing up your time for complex tasks. Finally, if you're looking to connect with trusted local contractors for roofing needs, check out bighomeprojects.com. It's a great resource to find reliable pros, or showcase your skills if you're in the biz. Happy roofing adventures!